Here's an any day all digital laundry deal you can take advantage of at Dollar General just by using your phone. So yes, you will need the Dollar General app, so download it and create an account with a phone number. But you can take advantage of this deal today, which is the 15th, all the way up until Saturday, which is the 21st. And you can even throw it into your 5025 scenario on Saturday to make the deal even better. Let's get into it. This morning, we received a 5 off of 15 DG coupon to use on Persil and Snuggle. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to take advantage of that coupon. So for the first way, you want to pick up this big bottle of Persil on sale for $9.95 and clip that $2 digital and grab one 100-ounce bottle of Snuggle fabric softener, regular price at $6.35. Now these products going to total out to $16.30, making sure that 5 off of 15 and that $2 digital for the Persil are clipped. Once everything is scanned, type in your phone number. It's going to drop you down to just $9.30 for these items. Now check your accounts to see if you have this $2 Snuggle cashback, and if so, make sure to clip that. That way, after your purchase, they're going to give you $2 cash back, basically just on your account, making the final cost just $7.30 for these items. Now let's get into option 2. So for option 2, again, you want to go with this big bottle on sale for $9.95 and make sure to clip that $2 digital coupon, and then go with the smaller bottle on sale for $5.50. So before coupons, these 2 products will total out to $15.45. Making sure that 5 off of 15 and that $2 digital is clipped, it's going to drop you down to just $8.45. Now today is October 15th, so check and see if you have this $2 paper coupon to use on that small bottle. It does expire today on the 15th, but if so, that will drop your total down to $6.45 for these 2 items. I'm actually going to do this deal twice on 2 separate accounts, but remember I have 3 options, so let's get into the last option for that coupon. And then for option 3, again, you want to pick up that big bottle of Persil on sale for $9.95 and clip that $2 digital, and then pick up 2 of the Snuggle products on sale for $3.75 this week and clip that $1.25 digital coupon. So before coupons, these 3 products will total out to $17.45. Making sure that 5 off 15, that $2 Persil, as well as that $1.25 coupon for the Snuggle are clipped. Once everything is scanned, type in your phone number. It's going to drop you down to just $9.20 for these items. Remember, coupons are one-time use, so you would have to only do 1 deal per account. But I'm going to head to the register and do that other deal that I was mentioning, and then I'll be back to show you the receipt. Alright guys, so everything went exactly where it's supposed to. I paid $6.45 plus tax, so including tax, I did pay $7.18 for those 2 items, which is amazing. Remember, you can also throw in any of those scenarios into the 5025 come this Saturday. Y'all already know I'm going to do a scenario for that, so stay tuned if that's what you want to do. But let me know if you score, follow for more, and if you like this video, like this video.